Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the no gun door. And yeah, so let me demonstrate. So here we go. Here's the door. I can walk through it, and there's nothing happens because I don't have the gun. Now if I take the gun and walk through it, this gate will open up, and if I walk out, the gate closes. So I'm going to show you today how to set that up. It's pretty easy. There's a couple complicated things, but other than that, it's pretty easy. And then if you're wondering how you would actually get the gun through the gun door, that is up to you. That would depend on how your puzzles work in your mod, and whether you're doing like the windmill or like a steam generator or something, or like the magnet gun, something like that. That's kind of how it would work. Now, you don't have to make the no gun door just activate for the gun. You can make it activate for literally any object in the game that you can hold. But for the sake of this video, we're going to make it activate for the gun. And you'll see, I'll show you later how you can make it so it'll close for anything, or really any object. So what you want is only 4 things. You want 3 things. Sorry. I didn't realize that you can make its own power, so I put a general switch here just for power, but you can make your own power, so you only need 3 things. So what you need is a rifle or the gun. You can put that into the scene or into wherever you're going to get the gun from. Next, what you want is the no gun door. So you're going to type in gun, and then you want BP gun scanner. Now we're just going to spin that around. We're going to level it out with the ground. And we're just going to move it back a little bit. There we go. And then the last thing we want is the gate. So you're going to want to type in platform. And you want BP platform door. So just put that in right there. And you don't have to put it right here, right in front of the gun. You could put it anywhere. You could put it halfway across the game, but then you realize that you made it to the gate, but it's closed, and then you realize, oh, that's what the gun door was for. Massive face palm on you. But what you want to do is you want to come over here to the gate, and you're gonna want to click on connect. You want to go to electric component, connect to, click on the plus, click none, and then you're gonna want to click on your gun scanner. So it's gonna say BP gun scanner. Now for me, I'm selecting BP gun scanner 2 because I have 2 in my map, so I'm selecting the second one. You're gonna select BP gun scanner. Unless you have multiple gun scanners in your map, then you want to figure out which gun scanner is which by just clicking on the gun scanner and saying, this is the one I want to activate the gate. You click on it and you see up here what the name is. Then down here you click on it. So for me, it's going to be BP gun scanner 2. For you, it's probably going to be BP gun scanner. Next, what you want to do is you're going to want to click here on the door itself, and you're going to want to scroll down. Oh, no, we double-clicked. Hold on. You want to click on the door, and then you're going to want to go down to Default, Detect Objects, click plus, click on None, and this is the part where you can make it detect any object. So if it detects any of these objects in your, on the player, or in your inventory, or if you're holding it and you walk through with it, it'll activate the gate. Now we wanted to do the rifle because that's really the whole point. But if you could make it make it a clock or something, or it could be it could be anything. Really, it could be anything. So in this case, we want it to be the rifle. We want it to detect when a rifle goes through. So we're just going to type in rifle. And you're going to want to click on BP rifle. There you go. Now it's going to detect the rifle. So here we go. Let's test it just to see. And we've got a problem. The gate is up. So what you want to do to fix that is just move it down here. And there you go. Now it is fixed. And now it's time to test it. So let's see. You can walk through without the gun. Nothing happens, which is what it's supposed to do. You walk through it with the gun. Nothing happens. Now, the reason for this is because it's unpowered. So if you go over here to BP gun scanner 2, or gun scanner, basically click on your gun, the no gun door, and you're going to want to scroll down until you find the electrical component. Keep scrolling until you find electric, and you want to go to electric component. Then you're going to see under links, it's linked to the platform door, or the gate. So what you want to do is you want to go to connect to plus, never mind, ignore what I said. You're going to want to go down here underneath links, and you're going to want to click on generator. And now you're done. Your no gun door is now working. Now what it does by clicking on generator basically means the no gun door is going to now act as its own power source. So there you go, and that's how you do it. So as you can see, the gate is down. You can walk over here, as you can see. Walk in it, nothing happens. Walk out of it, nothing happens. Grab the gun though, walk in it, and the gate goes up. Walk out of it, the gate goes down. Oops, I fell. But yeah. So there you go. That's how you set up the no gun door in Hello Neighbor. You can use this in your mods. And, yeah. So, if you guys, want to see, a certain, tutorial, like how to do the Steam generator, which is coming next, by the way, or how to do something else, in the mod kit, drop a comment on any of the videos. Any of the videos, doesn't matter which video, just drop a comment, asking whether I know how to do it. If I respond yes, expect a video on it. And yeah, so even like the grave, that was a viewer suggested video because one viewer didn't know how to do it, so I helped the viewer by making a video on how to do it. So yeah, so that's how you set up the no gun door or the no gun scanner. And yeah, so with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Go!